Hi everyone, so today in this video we are going to learn the date function again in Excel with examples. So I am using the Google Sheet. So let's get started today video. So first shortcut key is the control and semicolon, so you will get the current date. Here you can see current date. Okay, and if you want to know the timing, so control shift and semicolon. So you can insert the date and time with this shortcut keys. Okay, but if you not remember, yeah, if you struggle to remember the shortcut key, so you can use the function. Which function? Now. Now function is helps to current date and current time. You can add a date value. Okay, so simply select this now function, close parenthesis and hit enter. And here you can see the current date with time. Okay, so easily you can insert the date and time with now function. And if you're aware the today function, simply we will get the current date, close parenthesis and hit enter and see. This is the function and this is the shortcut key, and this is the function. So you have the both option. You can insert current date and time in this way. Okay, now if you can see the date format is not correct, yeah, is according your the laptop, your desktop according, so you can change the format. How? I'm using the Google Sheet, so here the format tab, go format tab, number and date format here, but the format is looking the same, so we need to go to custom. Simply go to custom time and we have the bunch of the options. So here when I select this, so you can see the preview the month, day and year, and I want the day, month, year. So here is option, so day, month and year, and simply apply, and you can see the we change the date format according us. Okay, so this is the way you can correct your format of your data. Okay, so this is the shortcut key now and today. Now I type here the date, the something, the 27 dash 06 2025 and see. Now I want to check this is the text string, yeah, date string. Okay, so how we can check? So this is the tip for you. Whenever you will get the data, yeah, you will get the error, so you can check the date format. So if you don't know how to check, so you can check this way, equal each number function is helps to, this is the date, yeah, text, simply close parenthesis and hit enter and see. This is says the false mean yes, this is the date. If the it says the true, that means the text. Simple and sweet. You can easily check the date. This is the date, yeah, not. Okay, so you can check. Now e date and e o month, the both function are working in Excel, but what's the purpose of the both function in Excel? Okay, so first is we understand the e-date. E-date function return the same day of the month. Same day. Here I type here the same day. Return the same day of month. Okay, so let's understand with example. Equal e date, and here you can see the description, the date, a number of month before or after another date. Okay, so we can get the another date. So here the this date, today date, okay, comma, month. So I want the month, the one, mean July month. Okay, so hit enter. It says the value error. Why? I think it's count the June. Let's type the 2 and hit enter. It again says the value error. Why? That format is correct or not? Okay, so let's try the with again because we are getting the. Let's check it out. The equal date. Yeah, one moment. We can check the with the e date. Okay, and type in string. So 27 slash 6 25 double quotation comma month, we type 2 close parenthesis and hit enter. This again says value. So what's happening, it's possible, might be possible, we need to update our settings. Okay, so we go the file, here the setting options, go here, you can see the journal. So here you can see the message that these affect the formatting details such as function, date and currency. Okay, so we are leaving the India, so we need to select the India. So we need to update. Okay, so I select this India and here the all language is here. Okay, so I select simply India, and if here the any India, so you can check because we are exactly answer and calculation, so simply keep on the iterative calculation. Okay, so keep on. Okay, and that's it, and update and close it, and now your sheet update, and here you can see the your answer. So C is the format is now correct and value error is removed. Okay, now let's check. Here you can see answer the 27/8/2025. So e date is the same day but next month. Okay, I again show you the e date how does work. Equal e date and e date what does the return the same day of month a specified number of month before or after. So here I select the this date. Yeah, we can the type simply. Okay, I select this date comma month. So I want the July month date and hit enter and see 27 July 2025. So with this way we can get the date of next month. But EO month what does? What does is the last day of month. Last day of month. So equal EO month. I select this. I simply select this date, comma month. So I want here again I type the 2, yeah 1 simply we understand and hit enter, and you can see the last day 31st July 2025. That's the difference between the e date and EO month between. Okay, but if you want to the previous month, so you need to simply equal EO month. Okay, I select this date, comma, and month. So here I type the June. So I type the -2 and one moment, -2 and hit enter. And you can see the 13th April 2025. And the same we can do. I just copy the this format here and I just change the function e date and that's it and hit enter and you can see the difference what's going on. Okay, we select the wrong start date. Okay, comma -2 and hit enter and you can see the date. So that's the difference between the e date and eo month between. I hope this is clear now. Okay, and the last thing we will understand, the last function is the if you want to know the exact your date of birth calculation, so how you can do. So there are the two ways: equal date diff function we can use date difference start date. Here we didn't type the in Excel, so I took in the quotation. So start date it could be the suppose the 17th June 2019 double quotation comma end date 27 sorry double quotation 27 slash 6 slash 2025 double quotation comma. Here unit is work the by month and day. Unit mean what you want to return in year wise, month wise, or date wise. So I want the year wise. So type by double quotation, close parenthesis and hit enter and see. That's the calculation of age calculation with date diff function. Okay, so this is the first way, and the another way is the equal year extend the number of years between the two dates. Okay, so simply start date again we type equal sorry double quotation 17th 6 and sorry 1990 double quotation comma end date 27 double quotation I'm okay 6 and 2025 double quotation okay and close parenthesis and hit enter. So here you can see the answer, but if you notice here the year fixation, here you can see it says the end point. Okay, so if you don't want the in the point and simply you want point mean decimal number you don't want, so we need to calculate by we can remove the with this way. I show you equal year. Okay, I take here and again I type here the 26 sorry 17th 6 1990 double quotation comma here I the today function here I take today function close parenthesis and again the parenthesis and hit enter. So you have the chance you can the calculate, but you don't want to the decimals, so you can add here int function int open bracket and double quotation sorry, close parenthesis, and here you can see the without decimal exact number. What I did, I can shoot again. Here you can see the year francs. So here I add the I and T, open bracket, and last again I add the bracket and hit enter, and you can see is the age calculation without decimal. Hope you understand. So you can calculate easier way. Okay, so this is the year you can find with the two ways, year and with two functions. Okay, so you can calculate the any date. Yeah, if you want to the age calculation, so you can do. Okay, so that's it about the video. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. See you in next video.